This is week 3 that starts from 20th to 24th April. The references which are required, obviously your book Environment of Pakistan by Humayun Sethi. Chapter is Natural Topography, page 9 to 11, and subtopic is Western Mountains. Topic will be done with the help of web maps and pictures. At the end, short questions will be given for confirmation of your learning. By the end of the lesson, you will be able to locate Western Mountains of Pakistan, identify major problems of Western Mountains, describe physical features of Western Mountains, explain economic activities and lifestyle of the people in these mountains, and importance of these mountains. In this topic, students will learn about natural topography and drainage features of Western Mountains, problems, importance, economic activities, and how people are living in these areas. The four main ranges are present in this area. One is Safedpur range, Waziristan Hills, Suleiman range, and Kirsan range. While you are studying, please follow the map as well, which is given in the next slide. So you can see the location in Safedpur range. In these ranges, we have important passes as well, like Khyber, Khurram, Tochi. All these three passes link Pakistan with Afghanistan. Then we have Bolan Pass, then we have Gomal Pass. So all these passes are very important to connect Pakistan with its different areas and also with its neighboring country, Afghanistan. Physical features of the above mountains are deep, narrow valleys forming a rugged topography, serrated landscape, bare rocks, deep V-shaped valley, deeply dissected landscape, gorges, waterfalls, rapids, streams, and springs. All these definitions are given in the topic of northern mountains, which we have discussed and studied last week as well. Economic activities and lifestyle of people. It is developed on traditional lines, very low economic growth rate. Most of the population is dependent on agriculture and cattle breeding. Farming practiced on terrace fields where wheat, barley, maize, and vegetables are grown. People work in cottage and small-scale industries. The outputs of these industries are carpets, rugs, and handicrafts. Other industries are processing of food grains, making vegetable oil, and refining sugar along with food processing industry. Mining industry is also important in this region. Infrastructure facilities like roads, electricity, health are less developed in the Western Mountains. Environmental issues are deforestation at the foothills of mountains and overgrazing on high pastures led to the soil erosion. Mining industry has increased the risk of mining holes, deforestation and pollution in the area. The construction of roads on the slopes has also increased landsliding and deforestation. Important passes of the region are Khyber, Khurram, Tochi, Gomal, and Bolan, and their location is given in the map which we have already seen in the above slide. For your confirmation of learning that how much you have learned the topic, there are few questions that can be answered very easily if you have learned it thoroughly. The answers of these questions is given in the next slide. Name the major passes of the area. Name rivers in the region. Name the pass between Pakistan and Afghanistan. Khyber, Khurram, and Bolan Pass. Kabul, Khurram, and Gomal. Khyber, Gomal, and Khurram Pass. Your assignment is given in a separate work, so I hope you will do it accordingly.